Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Doba intersection here. We're gonna take a stroll to the beach and check out what's going on in here. You can already hear some construction noise somewhere over there. But we will find out what's happening here. This building gonna be done probably this year because it looks already very much, few months. I think it's gonna be a apartment building if I'm not wrong. It's right next to this hotel, which must be very annoying at the moment with the sound. And also, do you know this noodle cafe here? It's just a big question mark for me. It's a cafe and noodles, noodle cafe? I guess it's a noodle restaurant, right? And it's 24 hours open? I don't know. Yeah, Doba, what do we have here? We have another, what is this? RHM. So this was Flower Hotel and, Flower Hotel is still standing there. And also Pansy Hotel or something like that. So they have several names and now it is somehow something else. Hospitality, Land and Finance. So I guess there's a company inside, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Pansy Beach and Flower Hotel. So if you book one of those 3 hotels or 2 hotels, you're gonna be in this building. We have Korean barbecue, pharmacies, and the gym here, the pig gym. Then you have what is this? An Indian street food place. And then suspicious massage place. Oh, lots of people also love this place, this hybrid. 3 floors, very cold sports bar. I think upstairs, the 2 first and second floor is for professional pool billiard. So this business is also closed now, so it's available, I guess. They sold some Remova and other fake stuff, I believe. So what is going on here? Another change of hotels? This hotel was May Beach. It's still May Beach. May Beach Hotel. Very good option if you get it for $7 or something, what it was last year. Usually around the low season, it's very cheap. Also, they don't have a pool or anything, but if you just want to have a hotel room, which is very close to the beach, that might be an option. This place only opens at night. It still smells like seafood here. And then Mi Lan Chao, the Chinese beef noodles. My friend Roman told me to try. I still did not try it yet. But above we have another billiard club. And this here is also open. This was a coffee shop, but they're closed. You never have to walk far to get some new Crocs. Shout out to Marcus. I think one of those hotels are really good. Yeah, Santa Luxury. Over there, I reviewed, yeah. And then the Cecilia. I think the Cecilia was first this hotel, and then they bought this hotel next door and gave them all the balcony rooms extra. So I think this the 2 buildings, so you can also not, from this building you cannot go all the way up to the pool. The pool is over there. And since there were 2 buildings before, Cecilia has another pool, which is over here on the 3rd floor. So you have a 3rd floor pool and you have a rooftop pool up there. They did a very good job. It looks very nice. And of course you're right next to the beach, but there are lots of construction there. I'm not sure if it will bother you, but hello. 50% off. Interesting. So those are the sounds here. This building will be done very quick. So it was green and now it's this red. Huh. Very interesting. Okay, let's check it out. I think they painted those buildings so fast. I think last time when I filmed here it was different. Ah, look at this. This is the different color still. So I assume this will be all walkable here. So you can walk around here, have a little bit of a walking street, which will be very nice because it's protected from the sun. So you can walk through there. Maybe there's even some seating outside. This looks like a big restaurant or bar, which is gonna be very nice here too. Right behind the M Hotel. Another good reason to stay in the M Hotel. At the moment, I'm not sure how loud it is in these rooms, but yeah. There's another construction over there, which kind of looks similar to this, but I'm not sure if they belong together. And this one is also getting constructed. I'm wondering how high it will be. If it's not that high, it's still gonna be good to the Cecilia Hotel for the beach view. And the Golden Lotus Luxury is also a good hotel, nice rooftop pool there. It's very hot already in the morning. And you can see the beaches are probably empty as well because it's too hot. Locals usually don't go out in the sun, which is a smart idea. I should do that too. Stay in the shade. Oh, look at this. A G-Wagon. A pretty modern, newest G-Wagon. 51. What does it mean? Maybe Nha Trang? What is 51? Or maybe it is... Oh, is it Ho Chi Minh City, right? They need a lot of water, I think, to keep those nice flower walk green and lush. Not sure what's happening over there. I would love to see a sign what's getting constructed there. Yeah, this is beautiful. The ocean is very calm today on this summer day in Da Nang beach. It's crazy what the difference is, right? On the daytime, in the morning, how empty it is here, and then in the evening. Not even a lot of people in the shade here. There's a group sitting here at the good yellow card here. What is the name again? Natural Flavors. That's the name, Natural Flavors, all right. Maya Beach Club in the morning is pretty nice, because there's no music. In the evening it's sometimes too loud, in my opinion. But then you can also sit out a little bit further away, then it's not that bad. But they have DJs, they have parties. But you know what? Oh my God, I'm so excited. I want to see this new beach club. So I'm recording this today, so Monday. Let me guess, 16th? No, it's 15th of July. Let's go and have a look at the new beach club. They have a beach party tomorrow. I can't believe that they finished it. I don't know. They probably had some all-nighters yesterday and the days before. But yeah, I'm wondering how that will be. I don't think they're gonna have food yet, because that's also takes a little bit until that all is grooved in. Good morning, mate. How you doing?
How are you, man?
Good, good. I'm filming. Yeah, no worry. You can talk.
You busy?
Yeah. It's I'm going to this new beach club. Do you know about it?
Yeah. I do.
Okay.
Ready soon.
I think they have a party tomorrow, so I'm checking it out now.
You mean the one here, the beach club?
No.
Further up.
Further up.
Oh, really?
Have you seen that?
Building
the
it,
pool.
I don't think it's going to be open tomorrow, Sam.
Yeah, I know, but I saw the Instagram,
Really?
and they advertised that tomorrow is a big party there.
It looks like a building site still.
I know, but they're super fast. I think there are like 20 people on there, at least, and someone who could be a German, because he's like non-stop screaming around and like very nervous. So I think there is a manager on site and pushing them all, probably 24/7.
Oh.
But yeah, that's what I want to check out, if it's done already.
I'll check it out, see, give it some fans.
Oh, what's going on here? It's a yoga session here?
Yoga in the buildings, yeah.
Are you doing yoga too? Lad yoga?
Definitely not, man. Not for me. I'm waiting for Sammy. I'm going to have some breakfast.
Oh, say hi to Sammy, yeah?
I will, yeah.
Oh my God.
I will, man. Listen, you go easy.
All right, have a good day, mate. Bye-bye. Cheers. Yeah, his friend is also named Sammy. My English viewers, shout out to you guys. They also watch this channel. Maybe he will see himself. All right, guys, so this looks very nice now, especially in the evening too. They made a beautiful job here, a beautiful job. This is a good area to hang out at night. If it's windy. If it's like super hot, I could imagine better things. Well, if you go to the water, it's okay. It really has to have a nice breeze in the evening, else at the moment, with this climate at the moment, it's very tough. Very tough. Oh, and they're replacing those sport thingies here too. I think because of the location here, they have to replace it every year. Or maybe they just colored it over the rust. And something is getting repaired here. That's good. They're working on it. Because this is not that nice here. Alright guys, this is almost there, guys. Almost there. Let's check out the new beach club, which should be done tomorrow. The Bohemian style, I think. I assume. It gives me the vibe already. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, how you doing, man?
Mike,
Nice to
from
meet you.
Slovakia.
Oh, nice. Okay,
I have
cool.
write you yesterday about fireworks.
Oh, what do you mean?
You was on. Du kannst Deutsch, nein?
Ja, klar, selbstverständlich, ja.
Ich spreche besser Deutsch like English.
Ah, okay, okay.
Du warst on Firework Festival.
Ja,
And have you?
1-2 Stunden, ja, genau.
I have write you on the YouTube.
Ja.
We are on Maya Beach and you have one salted coffee by me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Today we are there. If you come, you wave me and I.
Okay, okay.
Have a nice day.
Hello,
With
hi,
my
how are you?
family.
Hi, how are you? Hi.
Very
Nice to
nice
meet you.
videos.
I'm just filming now my walking channel too. I'm gonna actually check. Ich schau mir jetzt diesen neuen Beachclub an.
Ja,
Morgen sollte der geöffnet sein.
wir gehen unbedingt Palmen.
Ja.
Some picture.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Schau dir diesen Beachclub an. Der sollte morgen geöffnet sein. Der wird richtig gut, glaube ich.
Aha.
Also er schaut so ziemlich aus mit dem Pool und alles, so wie in Bali ungefähr.
Dann wir sehen das Video, ja?
Ja, genau, aber ich filme jetzt schon, ja. Alright. Okay,
You are
guys,
the
so.
best ambassador of the Danang, I think.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
danke. Okay, so I think it will be done. Maybe. There's still many people working there. I'm not sure if they, no, that the roof is still missing. But I can see even more people working on it now. This is like last minute. Nah, I don't think so. I'm not sure how the roofs are missing. But the pool water is in. Look at it. The water is inside already. Okay, maybe they make it because they're putting on the roof right now. How many people are working there? 30, 40? It's exciting. I think the house is standing already. Now the only thing is left is the roof here. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, we're gonna go sneak around. My God, it must be so brutal here with the heat. I hope they work at night. They should work at night though. Because with this heat, it's like, oh, very brutal. Okay, I don't know how they can open it already. Here's some beer, just like Germany. It's how you build real good houses, with beer and friendship. All right, guys. I don't know. The water is inside, guys. This is very exciting. I'm gonna come here tomorrow too. I will leave on Thursday though. I'm gonna go on a little trip. But look at this, how beautiful it looks here. Just imagine you have here a nice beach club, a little bit of music, and then look at this beautiful beach part. Very exciting, guys. Whew. I need to hide it from the sun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Like this video. I know you forget it sometimes, but like it. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.